Hello guys, today we are at the alphabite studio and talk about the perfect dental impression.
Yes, I'm Esther, that's Max,
Hi.
and we'll show you how to make your dental teeth impressions with our signature alphabite starter kit.
Oh yeah. There are three options to make your perfect dental impression, and Esther explains now which three options are available.
Yes, you have first the option to go to your dentist and have him take your dental impressions. Option 2 is with our 3D scanner in our alphabite studio or at trade fairs with alphabite, or at your dentist's if they have the technology. And the option 3, and that's why we're here today, with our signature alphabite starter kit.
Yes. And there is some stuff from the postman. And if you are ordering the starter kit, then you are get such a packet too.
Yes. But first, before we start, let me say that those impressions cannot be used for the purpose of medical assessments or the prescription of medical devices. Okay?
That's very important.
So first, I'll take you through that steps and then I'll show you in real time. So first, just watch, okay? Let me look what we have in our package. One pair of gloves, the manual of course, in English or in German, oder auf Deutsch, and 3 paper bags with the impression material. Also 3 impression trays. Could you explain why there are 3 trays and 3 impression materials?
We have 3 of any of these kinds because there are a lot of things you can make wrong in the making of these dental impressions, and so to get sure that we have the perfect dental impression out of your teeth, we send you 3 pieces of this sets of these trays, and then you can make it once, twice, and a third one, so we are very sure we have your exact dental impression.
Yes, and only if we get this, we can create your perfect FX teeth so that fits exactly.
Right.
Okay, first of all, please practice to take that tray into your mouth and put it out. So, you see here the impressions of teeth that should face up. Okay, then you have to open your mouth wide, put it in, bite down once and quickly until you feel a resistance between your back teeth. And then hold this position for 3 minutes. Okay?
So now we show it without the impression mass, just with the tray.
It's perfect if the tray is between your teeth and your lips. Your lips have to upload to relax over the edge of the tray. Okay? Once again, 1 bite quickly and then hold this position. Okay. That was the first step. The second is the impression material. You put it out and then you can see 2 different masses, one white and a yellow one. We have to work from this point really quickly because the mass hardens very fast. That's really important. When you take out the mess, you have about 30 seconds at most to knead them until you have a light yellow color, until you have one color of these two. It has to be light yellow. Okay, get them? Then form one roll between your palms. It has to be roughly 10 centimeters. It's about 4 inches. And 10 centimeters.
We have also in this manual.
Yes. But don't waste time trying to get the exact length, please. Quick is the charm.
Yes.
Okay, then you divide this roll in 2 parts. Take the first part, remember, the teeth impressions are upwards. Press this first roll gently on the upper side of the tray, so it overlaps the front of the tray a little. Then you turn it and do the same thing on the upper side, on the lower side, sorry. Press the mess gently on the lower side of the tray. You turn again, and now. Okay. Perfect. Ready?
So, yeah, I'm ready, and I think
You start.
you too, so we can start. And now we show it to you live and in real time how you make your perfect dental impression with the starter kit. Esther said everything before, and now she make it with the real mess, with the impression material.
You put your gloves on.
That's very important because everything should be hygienic. And now
Take the messes out of the first paper pack.
Right.
You see? So open it.
And by side, you can also see all these different steps in this manual we show to you, and this manual lays by in any packet we send out. Okay?
You see again a white color and a yellow mess. Okay, I'll take it out.
Yeah. And it's very important that you work fast, like Esther said before, because if these two masses, these two impression materials are coming together, they will be very hard, very fast, because we need an exact dental impression, and the reason is this stuff have to be very hard, fast. Okay?
Okay.
So, I take my smartphone with the timer app. And
the kneading has to be about 30 seconds. Okay, now, here we go. And the mess, you see the two colors, yellow and white. And now it turns into one color. It's getting light yellow. Okay, perfect. And then roll between your palms.
yeah, I make the manual ready.
10 centimeters, that's okay.
Okay.
Divide it in 2 parts. Take the first part.
I think you have
Teeth face up.
really great experience with this, Easter.
Press it gently. Overlap a little bit.
Okay.
Turn it. The second roll. Press gently. Turn it again, so teeth, up face, and then
Put it into the mouth, bite down one time, and then relax. And very important, put on your timer or your clock to 3 minutes. 3 minutes are the exact time we need now, and then the mess is very hard and shows your exact dental impression. I lay down my smartphone here, And yeah, Esther cannot say now anything. She have to cool down, relax, and if you make this, just sit down, be cool, and breathe through your nose, not through your mouth. I think that's very logic. I look into this manual. We are now at point number 4, biting. Yeah, and here are some more information. I read this so you can listen to it. It's very important that you do not bite down again or open your mouth. Otherwise, the impressions may become unusual. Leave the tray in your mouth for 3 minutes. Do not speak or laugh during that time. Just stay relaxed and breathe through your nose, like I said before. So that's very important. And in this video, we only make one impression because Esther is expert in this theme and make a lot of dental impressions before. So she knows what she do. But if you make this at the first time, then maybe there are little failures. And so we need 3 impression trays of your dental impression. And that's very important. So if there is a little failure in one, we can use the other to make your perfect base for your dream FX teeth. Yes, I showed to my smartphone. There are 45 seconds left, and we'll take a look at the rest of this little manual. If Esther is ready in a few seconds, then there is point number 5, repeat. We don't repeat this today. I explained to you. Then packaging, you have to put down the teeth or the tray in a package and send it back to us. Before, please cool down it with a little bit cold water. Yes. And then we need some photos of your face, but I think the best way is if Esther explain it to you in a few seconds. So, time is over. Look at Esther's mouth. She opens a little bit and toggle the tray up and down slowly, and be careful and put it out of
got it.
the mouth. So, looks very great.
Yes, really great.
Very fine impression.
Okay, so you have to clean it under cold water and just let it dry.
Yeah.
And then take the second impression material and the second impression tray, also the third one, and do that procedure again.
Right there. And then
Yes.
you
Good.
have to send us photos.
Yes, that's also really important because we must see how is your bite, how looks your face and your teeth.
Yes.
So, Max shows you. One picture, please, with your mouth closed. Relaxed and closed. Lips closed. One with you biting down. Another with your mouth wide open, as wide as you can. And one of you naturally smiling.
Great.
Now put everything back into the box and return it to us as fast as possible. And soon you'll receive your perfect FX teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah!
And we
Like
receive it. So we have them.
Yes, great stuff.
So if you want to have your own FX teeth, then just order it now at alphabite.de, and maybe the starter kit is the perfect way for you to get your dental impression. If you are interested in the other ways, just check our website. All options are on our website. And I think this was it.
Yes. We love to hear from you. And say for this time, bye and see you.
Bye bye.
Bye.